Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most amazing natural remedies that you can find in your kitchen, black seeds or Kalonji seeds. These tiny black seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and have many health benefits. In this video, I will tell you why you should have black seeds every day and how to use them. Black seeds are the seeds of a plant called Nigella sativa, which belongs to the buttercup family. They are native to Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, and have a pungent, bitter, and slightly spicy taste. They are also known as black cumin, black caraway, black onion seed, or simply Kalonji. Black seeds are rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antidiabetic properties. Some of the benefits of black seeds are: they can boost your immune system and help you fight infections. Studies have shown that black seeds can enhance the activity of natural killer cells, which are a type of white blood cell that can kill cancer cells and virus-infected cells. Black seeds can also reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu. They can lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Black seeds can relax the blood vessels and improve blood circulation, which can lower your blood pressure and prevent hypertension. They can also lower your LDL or bad cholesterol and increase your HDL or good cholesterol, which can protect your heart and prevent cardiovascular diseases. They can improve your blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. Black seeds can increase the secretion of insulin, which is the hormone that regulates your blood sugar levels. They can also reduce the resistance of your cells to insulin, which is a common problem in people with type 2 diabetes. Black seeds can also prevent the complications of diabetes, such as kidney damage, nerve damage, and eye damage. They can support your digestive system and prevent ulcers. Black seeds can stimulate the production of bile, which is a fluid that helps you digest fats and oils. They can also reduce the inflammation and irritation of your stomach and intestines, which can prevent ulcers and gastritis. Black seeds can also act as a natural laxative and help you relieve constipation. They can enhance your brain function and memory. Black seeds can protect your brain cells from oxidative stress, which is a major cause of aging and neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Black seeds can also improve your cognitive abilities, such as learning, memory, and attention. So how can you use black seeds every day? There are many ways to incorporate them into your diet and lifestyle. Here are some of the most common ones. You can eat them raw or roasted. You can sprinkle them on your salads, soups, yogurt, or oatmeal, or mix them with honey, lemon, or vinegar. You can also make a tea by boiling them in water and adding some sugar or honey. You can use them as a spice or a condiment. You can add them to your curries, stews, breads, or rice dishes, or make a paste by grinding them with garlic, ginger, and salt. You can also make a dressing by mixing them with olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs. You can use them as an oil or a supplement. You can buy black seed oil from health stores or online, or make your own by heating them in a pan and straining the oil. You can use the oil for cooking, baking, or drizzling on your food. You can also take the oil as a supplement by taking a teaspoon or a capsule daily. You can use them as a beauty product or a remedy. You can apply the oil on your skin, hair, or nails, or massage it on your scalp, face, or body. You can also use the oil to treat various skin conditions, such as acne, eczema, psoriasis, or fungal infections. You can also use the oil to heal wounds, burns, or cuts, or to reduce pain, swelling, or inflammation. As you can see, black seeds are truly a wonder of nature and a gift for your health. They can help you prevent and treat many diseases and improve your overall well-being. So, what are you waiting for? Start having black seeds every day and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from it. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Until then, remember, wealth is health.